आऊज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। मैं मौजूद हूँ मस्जिद कोफा में, और मस्जिद कोफा में मुझे एक मुलाकात मेरे भाई जो अमेरिका से हैं ब्राइन, उनसे मेरी मुलाकात हुई है। तो हम इंशाल्लाह उनसे बात करते हैं कि उनको इस अरबईन वॉक पर आकर, करबला आकर, इराक़ में आकर उनकी क्या फ़ीलिंग है और उनके क्या एहसास हैं, वो क्या मतलब उनके अल्फाज क्या हैं। मतलब मेरे पास तो वो अल्फाज नहीं है मैं बयान कर सकूँ, लेकिन इंशाल्लाह इनसे हम कोशिश करते हैं कि अपनी टूटी फूटी इंग्लिश में बात करके कि इनकी क्या फ़ीलिंग है। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। Ryan, mashallah, you come from America so far.
Yes.
So, mashallah, what do you say about the Arbeen walk? What's your feeling, and how do you come in Arbeen walk?
Sure. So I have a friend that invited me to come to Arbeen in 2019, or come walk for Arbeen in 2019, and so we started in Najaf and walked to Karbala, and we did it in 3 days. We walked at night, and it was one of the most amazing experiences of my life. Walking amongst millions of people from Najaf all the way to Karbala, having all the food, shelter provided, all the water provided. You don't need to have anything. You just show up, and the Iraqi people take care of you from the beginning to the end. And while you're in Karbala, you have mokibs you can stay in for free. They don't charge you. You have a place to stay. I encourage anyone in the world to come here, and I'm here again in 2022, and I had a fantastic walk again this year.
MashaAllah. I also don't explain how do I explain these feelings, because I have no words. So alhamdulillah, I think you also have a great come to here. You see the people. How do you see the people of the Iraq?
The people of Iraq?
Yeah.
First of all, it's hard to find the words to explain the feelings you get from Arbeen and visiting Kufa, for example, where we are right now. It's just an energy inside of my body for me that pulls me back here to Kufa. The Iraqi people are incredibly friendly. They love me as an American, and I've been asked by security guards, by the people of Iraq, just in town, where am I from? And I tell them America, and they're always so kind to me. I've never had a bad word spoken to me in Iraq ever, and I've been here 3 times, total of probably 20 days at least now at this point. And, it's been nothing but good experience.
MashaAllah. What do you give to message to all the world for the Arbeen walk from the Arbeen?
Sure. I can't. I'm not a Muslim, so I can't speak for Muslims specifically. But I can say that my Muslim friends that invited me have told me that Imam Hussein is for everyone, and it doesn't matter if you're Muslim, non-Muslim, Christian, Hindu. Go down the list. Imam Hussein is for everyone, and I believe that because, like I said, I don't necessarily identify as Christian or anything. I believe in a higher power. I still don't know what that means for me specifically, but I'm on the spiritual journey, and it's led me here, and I've been welcomed, and I would encourage anybody else in the world to just come here and just experience Arbeen. I think a lot of people are afraid to show up for a pilgrimage, thinking that somebody is going to try to convert them from their religion to whatever you are to being a Muslim. That doesn't happen here for me. I have a lot of people say encouraging words about my spiritual journey, but there's no pressure here. It is just come be here, be amongst the people, experience Imam Hussein, and understand his history and how he gave his life for his people. And it's an incredible message that I think anybody can relate to.
MashaAllah. I'm very thankful to you. You give me interview about for Arbeen. Inshallah, I pray for you. Inshallah, you always come to here. Inshallah, you will be bring other friends. Inshallah, in here and give peace, the beautiful message from Karbala, and inshallah, you all the world. Inshallah, thank you
Thank
so
you.
very much.
Thank you.